To another video. Today we're going to be doing a challenge, and that challenge is we are going to randomly pick a colour, and this entire house has to be built with that colour. So if the colour was pink, for example, the entire house would have to be pink. So yeah, let's go and spin the wheel. Purple, my favourite colour. Okay, that's a good colour. Purple's my favourite colour, so hopefully that should be easy. I don't think this is going to be too difficult, so I'm going to do the bathroom first. So I need some like purple tile. They could work, I guess. Maybe. There's a lot of purple things in the game. I think this wallpaper's gonna have to do. Yeah, okay, so this wallpaper, and then for the floor, I could do that. Yeah, okay, so this is the bathroom. I don't know if there's gonna be any purple toilets. Oh, there are purple toilets. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna use that toilet. I think that counts. Also use this shell one. I think I'm gonna use the shell one because it's more purple. This is more blue. This has got like blue on it as well, so I don't think that counts. Is there a purple sink? Yeah, that's a purple sink. Okay, it's all purple so far, but I don't think it all matches. Let me put you there, and then you there. Okay, is there a purple mirror? Yes, there is a purple mirror. Okay. Is there a purple shower? There's a purple bath. Yeah, that little purple bath gonna have to do, I think. Okay. Let me find a purple carpet. I think I'll use this carpet another time. I'll use you there. Okay, now for lights. I could use these neon lights. That could look cool. I think they're pink. That's purple. There we are. Yeah. Okay, now for. Shall I make this the bedroom, and then this can be the kitchen, and this can be the living room? Yeah, this is going to be the bedroom. I need like cute purple wallpaper. Oh, should I do that instead? That's purple. Yeah, that looks way better. Yeah, that looks cool. I like that. Oh, should I do like purple love heart? Or purple stars. I'll do that. And then what flooring should I do? I don't know if that's purple. Oh, there we are, that's purple. There we are. Right. Let me do a purple bed. That's purple, yeah. Yeah, that's purple. I'll do you. I'll do you like here, and then I can do wardrobe. I think there's like a few purple wardrobes. Yeah, there are. Or maybe there isn't. There we are. That looks cool. I think I'll use this purple carpet. Or is that blue? I think that's blue. I'll do this like cow print one. I'll do this one. And then doesn't really match, but yeah. Well, they're pink. I'll use a disco ball. There we are. It's coming along nicely so far, I think. Right, this is going to be the kitchen. I think I'm just going to make the wall plain purple. I think that might look nice for the kitchen. And then the floor, I'll do purple tile again. And that's blue, that's blue. It's not purple. There we are, that looks good, I think. Okay, I need a purple fridge. Are there no purple fridges? No way. There's no purple fridges. Wait, is that purple? That's purple. Is that purple or white? That's not purple. No. That's got some purple on it. Do you count that? I mean, there's no other purple fridges, so I think I might have to do that one. It's got a lot of purple on it, so I think that might count. There we are, purple counter. It's only a simple house, this. It's not going to be anything impressive. And then I need a purple table. Or I could do like a cute island. I think I'll do an island, like a kitchen island. Are there any purple chairs? Yeah, there are. Good. I'm gonna have to use those shell lights again. There we are. There we are. And I guess I could do something else here. So I'll do these. But they'll only have purple food on them. That's purple. That's purple. That's mostly purple. I think that counts. That's purple. Oh, is there a purple Stanley? No, I don't think there is. Oh, I'm using that to go there. That's pink, that's pink. Whoops. Yes, that's purple, but I don't want it. Okay, I think that's good enough. No, I've got two of them. Let me add a purple shelf. think that's the kitchen done then. That looks pretty good. I could do that. That's very purple. That's like proper purple. I think I'll use that because that's mostly purple. I think. They're blue or purple? I think they're blue. Oh, that's a purple sofa. I'll use that. And this purple beanbag. Oh, that's purple. I'll use that. Is there a purple TV? No, no, go away. No, I think I'm gonna have to use the karaoke machine. There we are. Use the capybara. I'll swap them. You can go there. You can go there. There we are. That's cool. I guess I'll have to use you again, won't I? I could use this cool palm tree. No, it doesn't match. Here's the final tour of the purple house. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and make sure to like the video. It really helps me out. And yeah, bye guys.